starting on July 22nd, when the film premieres, we will be driving through the sets as part of the studio tour. It'll be the first time an attraction will start on the same day as the movie premiere. So this location in the film, it's a family-friendly theme park. And the child star is played by Steven Yeun. The production designer for this film was Ruth DeYoung. And these are the original sets. This is not where they originally were filmed, but these are the original sets. They took them down and rebuilt them in this location. And Jordan Peele also directed Get Out and Us, and this is another film in the horror genre.